Well, I used to work for a bank, and banking industry was going through turmoil, and I just thought, you know what, I need to be master of my own destiny. It gave you a ready-made brand and a little bit of support that you probably need if you're going into a new industry. From the outset, it just appeared a very well-run, slick operation.
It was a big jump, so going from a decent, well-paid career to starting on your own was very, very daunting. So for me, it was the franchise was the better route, because it's something that's established. You've got a better chance of it succeeding than you have probably just going straight out on your own and doing something. And obviously, franchise comes with training and quite a level of support as well.
Revive was recommended through a friend, and just thought it was a great opportunity.
I quite like the way Revive, had ambitions to grow itself as a brand and really sort of push on and push forward.
I liked the way they focused on me growing a business instead of just being a man in a van.
If you're buying into an approved model, because there's a system behind it all, it really does allow you to sort of start your own business in a way, but with guidance.